When a critical gear breaks,
we need to call Specialty Gear Drives.
the supply chain stalls and your machine sits silent. Don't wait weeks or months for an impossible part. This is where Specialty Gear Drives takes over. Right here in our Largo, Florida facility, we operate a full-service gear manufacturing division. Our core capability is simple. We build what others can't. Whether it's an obsolete component or a gear damaged beyond recognition, we master the challenge through reverse engineering. We precisely measure the worn part to create a new blueprint, matching the exact specifications of the original. From there, our certified technicians take over. Using advanced hobbing and grinding, we cut any type of gear up to 20 feet in diameter and subject it to specialized heat treatment, where we match and often exceed the OEM Brinell and Rockwell hardness ratings for maximum durability. This dedication to precision extends to all of our work. You benefit from our expertise in gear repair, rebuilds, and custom manufacturing. We stand behind every single gear we make with an industry-leading 24-month warranty. Get the part you need, built right, and delivered fast with our free freight and free quotes nationwide. So stop relying on the past and choose the future of precision. Call Specialty Gear Drives today.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.
Got your gear.